Hey, what's up, you guys? Adrian Williams here, and I'm doing this video in response to the last video I did in 2016 about how to get your a deleted Instagram account back. Okay, so guys, 4 years later, going on 4 years later, Facebook has now purchased Instagram from Instagram. Okay, so Facebook now owns Instagram. So a lot of people have been getting confused when it comes time to get their Instagram account back. So I'm going to show you guys how to get your Instagram account back in this new and improved updated video. First off, guys, if you like what I'm sharing inside this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And also, if you guys are interested in generating a full-time income online, then feel free to click the link below this video utilizing Instagram. But before we get into it, guys, I'm going to share with you that if you stick around to this video to the very end, you will have a chance to win a 10K Instagram account, real following. I'm giving away 100% free to one particular person that is watching this video. So without further ado, guys, let's show you guys this account now. And yes, you guys can take this account, do whatever you want to do with it. The people are real followers, guys, so you can just take it and make it your own and do whatever you want to do with it. So just stick around to the very end of this video and I will tell you guys how you can access this account. Okay, so I'm going to go and try to sign in to Instagram with an account that I just recently has gotten banned from Instagram, and it is Wealthy. Okay, Wealthy Surveyors. Okay, let's see. Okay, and as you guys can see, here's the error message. Your account has been disabled for violating our terms. Learn how you may be able to restore your Instagram account. Okay, well, first off, let me say a lot of people get it a little bit confused now. In this case, my account actually was deactivated from Instagram itself from me violating the terms supposedly. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can get around it. But some people are just having problems signing in their account. Maybe they use an email address that they no longer could have access to. And if you have, the best advice I can give you in that situation is to try your best to recover that email account. If you have to reset the password, try and reset the password. And if you can go to Instagram and click reset your Instagram password, you should get an email to that email account prompting you on how to reset your password. And sometimes those messages do go to the spam or the social settings inside your email. Also, some people don't connect the email address, they connect the phone number. And I've had this happen to me before. And if you connected the phone and you no longer have that phone number, let's say someone else gets the phone number. It's just as simple as calling them up saying, hey, I used to have this phone number. It's connected to my Instagram account. Could you please send me the code that Instagram is going to text you so I can go inside and reset my password, reset my phone number, and have access to my account? Believe it or not, if you call somebody and speak with them sincerely, they will assist you with doing this. But again, in this case, my Instagram account has been deleted due to Instagram. So I'm going to hit learn more, and it's going to take me to a form that I have to fill out. And if you guys like what I'm sharing with you inside this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe, because I'll be having more tutorials like these and be giving away more things in the future. So guys, please subscribe to this channel if you would like to be a part of that. Okay, so we're going to simply hit let us know. If you think this was a mistake, please let us know. And that's what I'm going to simply do. I'm going to hit let us know, and it's going to say, okay, is this account used to represent a business, product, or service? I'm going to say yes, it is. Full name, your Instagram user. But I'm just going to hit no, and I'm just going to put my full name of the account holder. So Adrian Williams. Okay, and I'm going to Instagram, your Instagram username, Wealthy Surveyors, and your email address. And mine is Freedom Living 01 at gmail.com. And what's going to happen is they are going to send me an email out and immediately respond to me. Now it asks me, which country are you writing from? So I'm going to put United States, and I'm going to hit send. Okay, I'm not going, that's just my password saver. Not going to do that. And I hit send, and what happened was I was redirected, and yeah, so it has been submitted. And what I would like to encourage you guys to do is go through this process maybe 2, 3, 4 times to the max to kind of let Instagram know that you're really serious about recovering your account. And I'm just going to simply go to the email and see have I got an email back from Instagram yet. Okay, so we're going to hit refresh. Okay, and we have received the email from Instagram, and it says, "Hi, thanks for contacting us. Before we can help you, we need to confirm that you own this account. Please reply to this email and attach a photo of yourself holding a handwritten copy of the code below." So basically, guys, you just write this number down on a piece of paper, hold it in front of yourself, and take a picture. And again, you want to submit this process about 3 to 4 times to kind of stay on the up and up with Instagram and have them recover your account. And then just attempt to log in the account every chance. A lot of other people have questions about what process should they complete several times. Do not submit the application nothing but one time, guys. The only thing that you would do several times is to, in this part, the email part, and that's send them a picture with you holding this number and identifying yourself. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And again, if you are interested in using your social media to earn a full-time income online, making anywhere from $100 to $500 a day, then click the link below this video and I will show you guys how to get started. Adrian Williams will sign out this video. Peace. Now, to get free access to this 10K Instagram account, only thing I ask is that you like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. And I will announce the winner of this account in a later video.